So my name is Grant Miller, and I'm the Staff Sergeant of the Calgary Police Service Homicide Unit, and I have the following release for you today. The Calgary Police Service Homicide Unit has laid a second-degree murder charge after a man was discovered deceased in the Thorncliffe area. Just before 2 a.m. yesterday, Wednesday, May the 1st, 2013, police responded to a 911 call for a disturbance at a residence in the 6400 block of Travois Place Northwest. When we arrived, police found one man who was pronounced dead at the scene. One man in the area was taken into custody for questioning. An autopsy determined that Curlin Rick Joseph, 25 years of age, of Calgary, died as a result of a stabbing. Hayden Goodell Didier, 29 years of age, of Calgary, is charged with one count of second-degree murder. He was scheduled to make his first court appearance this morning, and I'll take your questions.
Can you say what this was over?
A disagreement in their relationship.
So this was a same-sex relationship?
Yes, these two individuals are involved in a domestic relationship.
Was there history, do you know, of issues?
Not with us, there isn't.
Has anybody that you've talked to said that they had heard other disturbances there previously?
No. No, we're not. Yeah, we're not aware of any previous incidents with these individuals prior to the other evening.
Can you say, were they in a relationship for a long time?
I'm not sure of those details.
What about the building itself? Is that known to police?
I'm not sure that I'm the best person to answer that. I think I can speak specifically to the incident that we attended, and if we needed to find more information about that, we probably could, but I'm not the best person to provide that.
Can you talk about the injuries? EMS was telling us that the individual had died as a result of an assault.
And I think we've said that he died as a result of a stabbing.
Stabbing? Multiple stabbing?
So the specifics of that I'm not going to get into.
And when you arrested the individual, was he just in the same place or was he in the area?
He was present in the area, yes.
Was a weapon found?
Yes, the weapon was found and we have the weapon.
And sorry, was the victim found in their actual suite or was he in the hallway?
Again, the specifics of that I'm not going to get into. It was definitely in the building and is where we attended and where we found the person who had been stabbed.
What was the person arrested doing when you found him? Was he out for a walk or was he?
Nothing significant, nothing of interest. He was in the area. He'd just been involved in an altercation as well, and I think he was kind of suffering some of the effects of that.
Did he surrender himself peacefully? Or?
Yes, there were no issues with the arrest.
Grant, we had a couple audio issues. Sorry, can you just repeat it for the question?
Yep.
Talk about their relationship and what the nature of that was.
So these two individuals are involved in a domestic relationship.
And maybe just repeat the cause of death.
And our victim in this incident died as a result of a stabbing.
Was there, I might have zoned out and been taking pictures while you were answering this question, but was there alcohol believed to have been a factor in this whole?
I don't believe that alcohol plays a role at all.
Has the individual that you arrested been cooperative?
Yes. Again, a person charged with a criminal offense has rights afforded to him, and he has definitely exercised some of those rights. But no, I can't say that he's been. He has cooperated with us.
Are they Canadian citizens?
I'm not sure.
Okay, and just to reiterate, there was no history that police knew of?
That's correct. We're not aware of any history with either one of the people involved here for any reason.
And you didn't actually say what the dispute was over, though?
That's correct. And again, this happened in a very brief period of time, and I think our investigation really focused on the incident. In the amount of time that we've had, we will get into more of the background in the coming days. Just because we've laid a charge, our investigation continues, and it's certainly not over.
Do you know, do they have family here in town?
I'm not sure.
Was the suspect trying to flee when he was caught by police?
No, I wouldn't say he was trying to flee.
Was he spotted because he was a buddy or was he standing there? Or the reason why he was taken for questioning?
No, I think we determined fairly quickly that who we were looking for and found him in the very close proximity.
Did he have any injuries?
I'm not going to get into the specifics of that. I think second-degree murder in every situation kind of speaks to the nature of a spontaneous act with not premeditation or much pre-planning involved.
Do you see, I mean, obviously it doesn't usually end up as a homicide, but I don't know if you could comment as a police service, a lot of a growing number of domestic violence issues with same-sex couples?
And I can't speak to that. From a homicide perspective, no, we do not see many same-sex domestic homicides.